everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and you see why I'm a diva, which is Lisa. Each week we enter our projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes or Saturday Morning Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood. The ladies' links will be down below. This week's theme was anything winter. Next week's theme I'll have go across the screen, or you can find it down below in the description box. All right, so anyways, I thought I would pull out some stamps and use those. And I did color up both of these snowmen, but I only used this one. If I do happen to make a card with the other one, it'll just be posted at the end. Otherwise, I'm just using this one here. Such a cute snowman, just chilling there in the window. I thought he was too cute. And then also he has a little bitty reindeer beside him. I also pulled out this stamp set from Cards TV Stamps called Winter Cheer, and I am using Much Fun here. And I didn't use the snow, but just the Much Fun. But I have the snow from CC Designs, and I'm using that snow. From Cards TV Stamps, I'm using the 3.75 by 4.75 add-ons, and I'm just using this outer die here. And if you'd like to use my code for 10% off your total purchase, you may do so, which is MOE, M-O-E. Okay, and then from Queen of Craft, I am using this postage stamp die there. And here goes this adorable card that I created. I love how he turned out. He's just chilling in the window looking at the snow. I love him. Just too cute. So I did color him up with, I want to say I used all of the markers, I believe, from here. From the Creative Expert alcohol markers. And I also have a 48 pack, so some of those colors may have came from there. I didn't use Copics this time, but they colored up nicely, and I do like how it turned out. Just really cute. I love how that postage stamp made that accent around there. And you know what? I did forget to show you a die. Let me grab that real quick. This is the other die set that I use. It's called Double Stitched Square Dies, or Square Set from Cottage Cuts. Not sure if that's still in the store. I haven't been over there in a while, but I really like those square dies there. But yeah, I thought I would put the white behind that and layer it on top of that postage stamp looking die there. But really cute. I did double layer this snow that I got from CC Designs. I put black behind it to kind of create a shadow. And then I stamped out Much Fun, and I just cut around it and then made a layer for that one as well. And there goes the My Creative Time die there. And it's also in the inside. This card measures 4 by 5. So it's not a complete A2 size card, but it's still a nice size card, and I love it. So anyways, don't remember that the theme will be either down below, or I would have had it come across the screen. And then that's all I have for you. So make sure you try and get in on these winter projects this year. Perfect time for you to get a little bit more winter crafting in, Christmas crafting, and share your project. All right, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.